Hi everyone, welcome back. I wanted to share my suppliers that I use for my skincare products, the places where I buy my ingredients, items that I use to make my skincare products, and also for my DIYs. These are some really good suppliers. This video is not sponsored, but I wanted to share this with you. Hopefully it helps. It can get overwhelming when trying to purchase maybe ingredients because there are so many vendors out there. So hopefully this helps. So let's jump right in. I will have all the suppliers that I mentioned listed in the description box with their websites as well. And if this is your first time watching, my name is Esther and I make DIY natural hair and skincare videos. So getting started, my first supplier that I love is Lotion Crafter. So from here I get so many different items. I get my preservatives, additives, hydrosols. They have so many great options, and a lot of the time when I do my videos I use foaming apple or foaming oats, and I get that from here as well. And I also get some of my preservatives from here, so definitely check them out. I believe they ship to the UK as well, international shipping. Their shipping is really fast in the United States. But they are really good supplier. There are so many choices, and I believe their prices are very competitive with the other vendors that I use. From here I get my surfactants. I also get preservatives from here as well, and also different additives, emulsifiers. But one of the things I really like about Formulator Sample Shop is their selection of extracts. They have a huge selection of extracts. The rest of the ingredients also are not bad at all. You have great choices. You can also buy smaller sizes, so you don't always have to buy the bulk size. You can buy a 2 ounce, 4 ounce. You can buy what works best for you. But their extracts are simply amazing. Their shipping is not bad at all. Their shipping prices are very good as well. So for Wholesale Supplies Plus, they have a variety of everything. I get several things from here. I get my containers from here. I get additives, clays, herbal powders, soap supplies. I get a lot of different things from them. Their prices are really good. Their shipping is not the fastest, I will say. They do offer free shipping at $25. When you spend $25 you get free shipping. So they're really good. I like the options that they provide. I like the quality of their containers. I do purchase containers from other suppliers as well, but they have really good quality containers and very good pricing. So I would say definitely check them out and see what they're about. I get my fragrance oils, essential oils from here. They are very well priced. Their shipping is decent, and they also ship international as well. But they have a really good selection. I love their selection of essential oils, and their prices are very good. So I would say definitely check them out. They also have the smaller sizes. I believe it's at 3.5 ounces for both the fragrance and essential oils. So from Nature's Garden, I get mostly my fragrance oils, and I also get my soap supplies from here. Of course, they have a huge selection of other additives. They have clays, they have herbal powders. So definitely check through the whole website and not just the fragrance oils selection. Their shipping is really fast as well, and then their customer service is really good. And I also like the fact that depending on what you buy, some items have a discount. I believe like on the fragrance oils, if you buy a larger amount, you get a discount on those items as well. So for the rest of my supplies, I get from Amazon. There's so many choices on Amazon. The pricing is amazing. Fast shipping, so it really depends on what you're looking for, but mostly my labels, some of my packaging I get from Amazon. Some of my equipment that I use, like my temperature gun, my pH meter, I get from Amazon. So there are many great choices on Amazon. So of course, do your research with everything I've provided, the information I've provided. Check all those suppliers out. Their websites will be in the description box. And I hope you found this video helpful, useful in some way. Please reach out to me in the comments if you have any questions. And don't forget to subscribe if you've not yet subscribed. And also like this video because that really helps me out. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.